Hey everybody, this is just a quick video to help you if you have a Bosch brand dishwasher and you're getting an error E22 and you're wondering what is this error and how can I get rid of it. So the E22 is a pretty common error. It is the error that means that your dishwasher filter is blocked or clogged. And this is going to happen because food and just gunk and stuff like that will build up over time under your filter. So you just need to make sure the filter area is cleared out. And if all the food at the bottom there's no gunk down there or anything like that. And if you're able to get all the food and gunk out of there, then you should be then it should get rid of this error. Now, if this error persists beyond that, then you're going to want to do you're going to actually want to remove and clean the whole filter. So that's a whole separate video to show you how to do that. But the first thing to do is just to get into the bottom of the dishwasher, make sure that there's no food or anything like that. You can usually just unscrew this and get whatever you need out to get it working. If that doesn't work, then it's going to need a deep clean, but just getting what you can see cleaned out will usually get things working again. So anyways, hope this video helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.